Taapsee Pannu is not the same girl next door anymore. Today, she is a fierce force to reckon with. Somebody who is unapologetically bold about her choices, whether sartorial or in general. When Taapsee made her cinematic debut in 2010 with the Telugu romantic musical Jumandi Nadam, she looked almost unrecognizable from how she looks now. All coy with a touch of soft glam and just playing an arm candy to the lead actor. Would you believe it's the same Taapsee who played a seductress in Haseen Dilruba? No, right? Be it Pink, Thappar, Shabash Mittu or Naam Shabana, Taapsee has slayed all the roles with ease, somewhere along the journey winning the tag female icon. And she is, in every sense of the word. She climbed up the ladders of success in a male-dominated industry, that too being an outsider. And the amount of work and dedication she puts into her character remains unmatched. For the 2021 film Rashmi Rocket, she gave her fans a never-seen-before avatar. She stepped out of her comfort zone and spent months dedicated to weight training, and the results were mind-blowing. For her film Haseen Dilruba, Taapsee proved she can smoothly play the role of a feisty and glamorous wife and shine the brightest among the strong cast. Her style has also evolved over the years. She kept it basic for the first few years in the industry, sticking to basic colors and styles. But now, if you check her Instagram page, it is filled with different styles and patterns, and she has even changed her hair game and embraced her curls. She has definitely become bolder with her fashion and personality, and we absolutely love her for that. We love that she has embraced all her quirks and refused to conform to anyone and anything. We love that she doesn't shy away from experimenting with her looks and roles. What are your thoughts on Taapsee Pannu's transformation? Let us know in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more such content.